So how you doing? Today, things are going to be interesting today. We are going to compare out of the box C83 chain to my grind. So yeah, let's see which one's faster. Let's see if I can keep up with the ever so popular C83 chain, you know? And I'm even going to give the C83 a slight advantage because my chain doesn't have a fresh grind on it. It's probably, I don't know, I'm probably 15, 20 cookies into my chain. So, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna see how they compare. And stick around because the next video, we're gonna test square grind. And then we'll look at seeing which one is faster between Hexa C83 and square. And I'll give you my opinion on the matter. Alrighty? So what do you say? Today we go ahead, tear into this. We're gonna start out with, let's go ahead and start out with the C83 chain. We'll make our cookies and we'll run it side by side and see which one comes out on top. I'm putting my butt on the line here, you know? How good is my sharpening? So here we go. Let's find out. C83 up first. Alrighty, I can tell you that chain does pretty good. Probably one of the fastest out of the box chains I've ever ran. So what do you say we go ahead, put my chain on here and see how she does. Curious to see what happens. This is going to be close, so watch closely. I think this is going to be real close. So let's see which one it is, C83 or my grind. Which one comes out on top? Alrighty, so there you go. I don't know the results yet. I'm making this video right now, so I won't know until the edit, but quite an interesting video. I will tell you, C83 is probably one of the fastest out of the box chains you can buy. Hexa is another one that I've tried. It's pretty fast, but if you don't want to go through the process of getting the Hexa files and all that stuff, C83 will probably be your next best option. So yeah, there you go. Pretty good chain. Making some good cuts here. Now I can tell you just from looking at the profile of the C83 chain, their angles are more aggressive than mine. So in some situations it would probably work out better. I think on long wood or on big wood with a long bar, the C83 might be a little grabby. You know, take some torque away and stuff, where mine is a little less aggressive on the angles. So it wouldn't be, you know, as bitey or as torque robbing on the big wood. It's a little more, I'll say mine is smoother cutting than the C83. So there you go. A little bit of an opinion there between the two. C83 is definitely fast though. I will give it that. So, hey, it's muggy and bugs are out everywhere biting me. So I think I'm gonna go in. It just rained and it's trying to rain again. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.